Hi, I'm Ruby from Studio Time, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about GarageBand. So first of all, to find GarageBand, you can usually look on the dock down here, and if it's not under the dock, you can find it under Applications under the Mac icon. So click on it to start a session. And I'm going to show you how to start a new session. Go to File, and then New. And we're going to be using podcasts primarily, so I'll create a podcast episode. And I'll title it Demo. So now you have a brand new session, and you can enlarge it so it's easier to see what you're doing. So to record, you choose a voice track. You can either do male if you're a boy or female if you're a girl. I'm going to choose female. So I've highlighted this track, so now I can record on it. So I'm going to press the record button, which is this red button down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to stop recording, you just press the record button again or the space bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To control the volume on a track, you choose this down arrow right here, and then you have a bar that shows your volume level. And to change it, you just add a dot, and then you can move these dots up and down, and that'll control your volume. So to fade out, just create like a downward slope, and it'll fade out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And whenever you want to delete these balls, you can just click on one and delete it, and they go away. And then you have an even volume again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to split a track, you highlight it, and then put the cursor where you want to split it. And then you go to Edit, and Split Track. You can also do Command T, that's the keyboard shortcut. And now you have two different tracks. GarageBand has a lot of pre-recorded audio and sound effects that you can use. To find those, you come down here to this eyeball icon and click on it. And then you just, there are several lists of different kinds of effects and jingles you can use. So you can choose whatever you want. And then you can play it by double-clicking. And if you want to use it, you just drag it up here, and it'll create a new track. And now you have it bark on your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do the same with any of the songs they have down here. To add an effect to something you've already recorded, select the track that you want to add the effect to, and then you come down here and select this eye icon. And that'll bring up some different effects you can have. So since I'm adding an effect to a vocal track, I'm going to choose vocals. And then I'll choose the helium breath effect. And so now, whenever I play this track, it'll be in helium breath.
3, 4, 5.
So to import a track from iTunes, bring up iTunes, find the track you want to use, and simply drag it over to the gray space in GarageBand, and it'll import it. And there you have it. So to save your session, it's just like a regular Mac program. You go to File or Save As, and you save it. And then to export it to iTunes, you go to the Share menu and Send Song to iTunes. And you can put in the artist name and the playlist title, and then press Share, and it'll be exported to iTunes, where you can then upload it to the podcasting system. So that's the basics of GarageBand. If you have any questions, you can ask us in Studio Time or ask your teacher.